is a beautiful house.
Can I have it?
Of course, darling. It doesn't matter about the price.
So when we're talking about emotions here, I'm not talking about sobbing emotions. We're talking about getting the buyer through the doors and making them fall in love. They're imagining their Christmases there. They're imagining their Thanksgivings there. They are willing to pay the premium for that home.
And it really starts from them first seeing your property online. There's usually a favourite within those properties, and we need to ensure that your property is positioned to be that favourite, so that when they come out to the property, they're already in love with it. And when they walk through the doors, those emotions are going to be in the right place, which is ultimately going to lead them to put pen to paper and write an offer on your property.
We've done this so many times. We know exactly what it takes to get a buyer to fall in love with your home. Like this video, love it, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next week on
Sell It Proper. So, buying a home can be so emotional.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. So
You make them a cringe.
understanding those emotions and understanding the triggers that a buyer. All right, Theresa, it's not that emotional.
Kick up the rear end.
I
I don't know what to say in that.
How can you just zone out? Well, try.
No, I'm not saying that. Yeah, emotional. Like, Okay,
Right,
give
okay.
me a cheek.